All right, in Randolph, New Jersey today. Dealing with another little photo eye issue. It's on a AMAR 8x8 garage door, torsion. Let's see what else we got going on here. All right, we'll adjust this photo eye. It seems to be working well again. Give it a good press, make sure we're good. And while we're here too, we're gonna check everything out. We're gonna give rollers a good oil. As it comes down. Now we're gonna give the rollers a good oil. This is the AMAR pinch resistant hardware, so when you get those pivot hinge holes, there's little pins in there. Up at the top, got outside torsion here, so get those end bearings, get along that spring. Yeah, so we're nice and good when we're all done. Check the cables, make sure they're not frayed or any issues here. They seem okay. Let's check the other side. Good. Clean, don't see any issues here. Now she's all oiled up. Let's see how she sounds. Like a dream. The belt's a little twisted, I'll fix that. Other than that, I think she's good to go. So, pretty quick and straightforward one here in Randolph, New Jersey today. On to the next one.